Hello friends, welcome to Spoonful of Pleasure. Today's recipe is about how to make the leftover chicken curry interesting. So let's get started. We will take a hot pan or tawa and then drop the leftover chicken. Add some water. Give it a good mix and let it boil. Meanwhile, we'll crack few eggs and season it with salt. Once it starts boiling, we will pour the egg mixture. Give it a good mix. Sprinkle some Garam Masala. And your chicken egg masala or chicken Mughlai is ready. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.